Welcome to your updated Martinsville retreat on 6 private acres. Completely renovated and full of possibilities. Nestled on over 6 picturesque acres, the open concept floor plan features soaring ceilings, an abundance of natural light, and a cozy wood-burning stove that creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. New cabinetry, butcher block countertops, stainless steel appliances, luxury vinyl plank flooring. This unique property has been transformed from a 1-bedroom, 1-bath home into a beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 1-bath retreat. Outside, you'll find an impressive pole barn offering endless possibilities. Whether you're dreaming of a horse property, workshop, equipment storage, hobby space, or the ultimate party barn for entertaining family and friends, this versatile building is ready for your vision. Nature lovers will appreciate the peaceful setting while still enjoying convenient access to some of Southern Indiana's most popular destinations. Located just minutes from Morgan-Monroe State Forest, Cedar Creek Winery, Brewing Co. and Distillery, and historic downtown Martinsville, and approximately 30 minutes from Brown County, Nashville, Indiana University, in Bloomington, Oliver Winery, and Lake Monroe, you'll never run out of places to explore. Contemporary charm, rustic vibes, and a barn built for memories. Welcome to 5085 Wilbur Road in Martinsville.